Good morning, dear students. Students, in the previous class, we have started practice set 4.1. Okay, and already we know what is GST, what is CGST, and what is SGST. Now, today we will complete that exercise. Okay, and let us see the questions. Students, already we have completed first 4 questions of this exercise. Now today we will complete remaining 3 questions. Let us start with question number 5. See the question first. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is rupees 1770. See, this 1770 rupees is the total cost of this remote controlled toy car, and in this cost GST is already included. Okay, means this much amount you are going to pay to the shopkeeper, and this amount includes GST. Okay, now see what is given to us. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Rate of GST is 18%. Okay, so 18% is the rate of GST, and if this is 18%, then already you can easily calculate what is CGST and SGST. You know, CGST and SGST are half of GST. That means CGST and SGST will be 9%, because half of 18% is 9%. Now see what we need to calculate. First we need to find out taxable value. CGST and SGST already we know that is 9%. So we will concentrate on this taxable value. First thing is, what is taxable value? Taxable value is the value, or you can say amount, on which you calculate the tax. Now see, in this 1770 rupees, you know already GST amount is included, and we want to know the taxable value, means that amount on which tax is levied. Okay, so let us see the solution. First thing is, we will write what we know. We are given that total value, right? Total value of remote controlled toy car is how much? 1770 rupees. This is total value of remote controlled toy. In this cost already you know GST is included. Now what is rate of GST? Rate of GST is given to us 18%, and since rate of GST is 18%, that means rate of CGST and rate of SGST will be 9%. That we will do later. Now we are going to concentrate on taxable value. So let us see what does it mean, rate of GST 18%. Suppose your taxable value is 100 rupees, then how much amount you are going to pay? 100 plus 18, because 18% is the GST rate, and this GST amount is applicable on 100 rupees. Means if you are purchasing anything of 100 rupees, in that case you have to add 18 extra, because 18 rupees you will give as a GST. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Now rate of GST is this. Suppose, or you can say let taxable value be 100 rupees. Then see, if your taxable value is 100 rupees, then your total value will be total value is equal to 100 plus 18. Why 100 plus 18? Because your 100 rupees is the taxable value, and on this amount you will add 18%, and 18% will be 18. So 100 plus 18 will give you 118 rupees. Okay, so now you know, if the taxable value is 100, then the total value is 118 rupees. Now we know the total value of remote controlled toy car, and we want taxable value of remote controlled toy car. So let us consider that amount to be X. Let actual taxable value of remote controlled toy car be X rupees. Okay, then what will happen? See, if your taxable value is X, your total value 1770, and if your taxable value is 100 rupees, then your total value is 118 rupees. So we are going to use this concept to solve it. Okay, so let us write this ratio. Since taxable value upon total value, this ratio is constant, means you are going to keep this ratio as it is. Therefore, now see, initially we have taken taxable value 100 rupees, and then we got total value 118 rupees. Now our taxable value is X and total value is 1770. Okay, see how we have written. First, what we have written, taxable value, and if my taxable value is 100, then we got total value 180. Now our actual taxable value is X rupees and our actual total value is 1770. Now we are interested in finding the value of X. So for that purpose, let us do cross multiplication. So 100 into 1770 is equal to 118 into X. Okay, now our aim is to find out the value of X. So keep your X as it is and transfer this 118 to right hand side, and you know 118 is in multiplication form, so it will divide. Okay, now our next step is what? Do the cancellation of this 100 into 1770 upon 118. So let us do the cancellation of this. Okay, so you can do cancellation by 2. So if you do this, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, and here 2 8s are 16, 1 is remaining, again 2 8s are 16, again 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now we will do division of 885 with 559, and if you do that, let us see what we are going to get. 885 divided by 59. So first we will divide 88 by 59. So you know 59 1 ja 59, and if you do subtraction, 18 minus 9 gives you 9. Here 7 is remaining, 7 minus 5 gives you 2. So 29 is remaining. Now take this 5 down. Now 59 5 ja, let us see what we are getting. 5 9 ja 45, 5 5 ja 25 plus 5 4 29. So this get cancelled. So if you do division of 885 with 59, you will get 15. So this 59 can be cancelled with 885 to get 15. So what is remaining? 100 into 15, that is your X. So finally we can write this is 1500 equals to X. So our X value is 1500. So we got X value 1500. That means taxable value of the toy car is 1500 rupees. So let us write our final answer. Therefore, taxable value of toy car which we got here is 1500 rupees. Okay, now we need to find out the amount of CGST as well as SGST. Now see, this is taxable value and total value was 1770. In this amount already GST is included, so let us subtract that to get the GST amount. Okay, therefore GST equals to total value minus taxable value. If you subtract both, you will get the GST amount. Now what is total value? 1770, and what is taxable value? 1500, and if you do this you will get 270 rupees. This is GST, and CGST and SGST are half of GST. So CGST is equal to SGST is equal to GST upon 2, and let us do this. So if you do this, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 5, 2 5 ja 10. So finally in this case you are going to get 135 rupees. Okay, so we got our answer. First thing is what is taxable value? 1500 rupees, and then what is GST and CGST and SGST? That is 135 rupees. So in this way we have completed question number 5. You can see the solution again. Okay, so by the same way you will solve question number 6, that is very much similar to question number 5. So let us do that. Now let us see question number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of AC is rupees 51,200, and in this GST is included. Rate of CGST is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. See what we need to calculate: rate of SGST, rate of GST, taxable value, total value, amount of CGST and amount of SGST. Same thing which we did in question number 5. Okay, so first we will write whatever is given to us. So what is given to us? Total value, right? So first we will write that total value of AC is how much given to us? 51,200 rupees. This is given to us, right? Total value of AC. Also we are given that rate of CGST. Rate of CGST is how much? 14%. Now first part we need to find out rate of SGST. So rate of SGST is nothing but rate of CGST, because both are equal. So rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST is equal to 14%. Now second part is we need to find out rate of GST. So how to calculate rate of GST? That CGST plus SGST gives you GST. So that is what we are writing: rate of CGST plus rate of SGST, or you can simply double it. So 14% plus 14% gives you 28%. So we have done first part and second part. Okay, now we will do third part. In third part we need to find out taxable value. Same way we will do just like we did in fifth one. Let us consider taxable value to be 100 rupees. So let taxable value be 100 rupees. Now if taxable value is 100 rupees, then what will be our total value? Total value will be 100 plus 28. Why? Because our GST rate is 28%. So 28% means what? We will apply 28 rupees to this 100 rupees. So we will get 128 rupees. Understood? Now see, if our taxable value is 100, then our total value is 128. Now in this case we are having total value 51,200. So let us consider, let actual taxable value of AC be X rupees. Okay, now again taxable value upon total value will be same. Taxable value upon total value is constant. Okay, so we are going to use this. Now taxable value is what? 100. Then our total value is 128. And if taxable value is x rupees, then our total value is how much? 51,200. Now let us do cross multiplication. 100 into 51,200 equals to 128 into x. Now in the next step, transfer this 128 to left hand side. Now let us do cancellation. See, 128 and this is 512, and you know 128 and 512 can be cancelled as a 4 jar. So 128 4 jar is 512 and 2 zeros. So what is remaining? 100 into 400. So finally in this case we will get 4 zeros, so 40,000. Okay, so therefore we can say that taxable value of AC is how much? 40,000 rupees. So this concludes our third part. Now we will find out fourth part, that is GST. Now again we will do same way. GST is equal to total value minus taxable value. Okay, now what is total value? 51,200, taxable value 40,000, and if you do subtraction you will get, see, 2 zeros, 2 1, so what you got? 11,200. This is what? GST. Now fifth part is we want to calculate amount of CGST. How to calculate? That is GST upon 2. So CGST is equal to GST upon 2. So that is 11,200 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, that is 5,600. And then last part is CGST, and that you know CGST is equal to SGST, and that is 5,600 rupees. So in this case we have done same process as we did in fifth one. So let me quickly revise it. See, first thing is what we have written, what is given to us, that is total value of AC and rate of CGST. Since you know rate of CGST and rate of CGST is nothing but rate of SGST, both are same, so you got same thing, and rate of GST is double of that, so 14 to the 28 you will get. Then we want to calculate taxable value. So students, whenever you are calculating taxable value, first make that taxable value into 100. So since we know if our taxable value is 100, then our total value will be 128. Okay, and then we have used this concept, that is taxable value upon total value is always constant. So if our taxable value is 100, then our total value is 120. If our taxable value is x rupees, then our total value was 51,200, and by doing cross multiplication and simplification we got x value 40,000 rupees. Then we know taxable value, we know total value, so we can easily calculate GST, that is total value minus taxable value. We got 11,200. So CGST and SGST you can easily calculate, that is GST upon 2, half of GST. So if you do that you will get 5,600. Okay, now we will move to our last question, that is question number 7. Now let us see question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronics Good. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price. Rate of GST charged was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. See, purchase price means you are going to include GST in this. Also find CGST and SGST. Okay. First thing is what is given to us. You are given that printed price is 40,000 rupees, that's okay, and also discount of 5%, GST 28%. So we will first, what we will do, we will remove the discount amount from this 40,000 price. You know discount means what? You are going to subtract that amount which is supposed to be discount. So we will remove 5% of 40,000 from this 40,000 amount, and then we will add 28% to the whatever amount we have. Okay, that is taxable value. So let us see the solution first. First thing is what is given to us. We are given that printed price of washing machine is how much? 40,000 rupees. Okay, so this is 40,000 rupees is what? Printed price. Now what is discount rate? Rate of discount, 5% discount is given to us, right? So rate of discount is 5%. Therefore we can easily calculate discount. Discount is equal to 5% of 40,000. Now how to calculate 5% of 40,000? That is 5 upon 100 into 40,000. Now see, 20 get cancelled with 20. So what is remaining? 5 into 400. And if you do 5 into 400, see what we are getting. 5 fours are 20 and 2 zeros are remaining. So 2000 discount is given to us. Now this 2000 amount we will subtract from 40,000, so that we will get taxable value. Okay, so therefore taxable value is equal to 40,000 minus 2000. What we did, we have subtracted printed price minus discount. So if you do this, you will get 38,000. Okay, so we have taxable value. Also we know rate of GST. Rate of GST is how much? 28%. This is given to us. So therefore we can easily calculate GST, that is 28% of 38,000. So this gives us 28 upon 100 into 38,000. Cancel two zeros. Sorry, these two zeros get cancelled. See, this is 38,000. These two zeros get cancelled. So what is remaining? 380 into 28. 28 into 38. Now we will multiply this and we will get whatever we will get, that will be our GST. So let us do this multiplication first. That is 380 into 28. This is rough work, you will do in rough. Now I am showing this, so I am doing here. 8 0 is a 0, 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 3 is a 34, sorry, 8 3 is a 24, plus 6 gives us 30. Okay, now multiply it by 2. 2 0 is a 0, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 3 is 6, plus 1 7, add it, 0 4 6 10. So you will get 10,640 rupees is your GST. Okay, now we want to find out the purchase price. So purchase price equals to 38,000 plus this amount, that is 10,640. So this will give you 04684. So 48,640 rupees is the purchase. So purchase price of washing machine is how much? 48,640 rupees. Now we want to calculate CGST and SGST. So let us write that. Therefore CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. So half into what is GST? 10,640. So let us do cancellation. 5 are 3 are 2 are 0 are. Okay, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 0 are. So 5320 rupees is the CGST as well as SGST. Okay, so we have calculated purchase price, that is 48,640 rupees, and also we have calculated CGST and SGST, that is 5320 rupees. So in this way we have done last 3 questions of this exercise. Now in the next class we will do next exercise, and students, please revise it thoroughly because it is not that easy. You should know the concept of GST, SGST, CGST, taxable value. Okay, then only you are going to understand whatever I am teaching you. In the next class we will do ITC and all. Okay, so first thing is what, you all complete your notes properly and try to understand whatever is taught to you. Okay, now for today I am stopping my lecture. Thank you.